Imagine strolling into Target for some hand cream and walk out with a full-on drama show. This shoplifter tries to act innocent, denies everything, and even uses the stolen cream while the cameras roll. The cops aren't having it. Watch how this scene escalates from just browsing to full-blown arrest. What will happen by the end?
And I want to get back. My last name is
El sistema está procesando su compra.
Hey, sir. So, what's going on?
She was stealing. She had these in her pocket,
Those two?
and also she had the Gorilla Glue. Que tiene dinero para atrás.
I'll let the tow she'll arrive any moment.
Because she was going around the store taking everything and putting it in her bag.
Does she have more stuff?
I think that's all. She had this also. She had these in her bag
And
also.
plus the hand cream that she threw too?
Yeah, the hand cream also.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, she comes here regularly, and she refuses to hand over the stuff. You know.
Can you do me a favor? Can you print that out? Yeah, scan that and.
Yeah. What did I do with the hand cream?
She threw it on the floor out here.
I left it somewhere. I don't know where I put it. Let me see if I can find it.
She shoplifted before?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you guys want to sign a complaint?
Just want her out of the store. Just get out. It's just throwing stuff all over the places.
Real.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Just walking out, throwing things everywhere.
But she constantly comes in and does it?
No, I just did this, man.
So, what do you issue? 6765. 6765.
Yeah, I guess so. Man, I was only using it and he thought I was taking it.
So you admitted that you took the cream, the hand
No, I didn't take, well, evidently,
I'll let the
I
tow she'll
never
arrive any
admitted to
moment.
take it. I was using it.
cream? You
Using the cream.
without purchasing it, so you're just using it.
Using it.
So you shoplifting, okay.
Wait, how? By using it?
Yeah, you gotta pay for it. You don't just go into the store, take cream, use it.
I
You just say you
wasn't
used it. You opened up a merchandise that you didn't pay for.
Okay,
That's shoplifting.
Yeah, it's not that serious, man.
It is pretty serious. You use your merchandise, you
Use it. I just want
before you do that, you gotta pay for it.
You gotta pay for it. Or if you're gonna do it, at least still pay for it.
You can't just go in there and start using everything and expect not to never say anything.
everything is crap. I just use a little bit. I just give it a counter, fucking domestic violence.
So
everything.
if you have a lot of stuff like that going on,
No, I just want these things.
Sorry, what do you issue? 6765. 6765.
Hurry up, what's happening, bro? Because I know my rights, bro.
Alright, you're gonna relax. That's what you're gonna do.
Give me a ticket, give me
There's no
what?
ticket. You're gonna be placed. You're
Right
gonna
now
be placed
you're
under
being
arrest.
detained.
Yeah.
Just relax. You gotta bear with us.
Alright.
Alright?
Turn around. Take this off for me.
Alright, just turn around. Turn around.
Take this off. Yep.
Why am I being detained?
You're under arrest.
Yeah. And just put your hands on your back, right?
Shoplifted the hand
And what did I shop?
Give him the back.
What?
Give him the back.
Alright, give me the bag.
Give him the back.
Give me that. Give me that. Give me
my
that.
glasses.
Hey, don't do that.
Oh. All right, behind your back. There you go. Nice and easy.
hand cream that she threw?
No, nothing.
All right, before we get on. One female, 10 to 5. All right, come over here, face the car. You got anything on you that's gonna focus the stickers? Spread your legs, please.
A cream. Now you're gonna get a stamp.
What? You got anything on you that's gonna poke me and stick me?
My money and a stamp.
You got a stem on you?
Yeah,
Where is the stem?
in my pocket.
Which pocket? You got multiple pockets. Let's be realistic here.
Right here.
Stay facing the car, right?
But don't touch me, bro.
Relax, all right? You good. Take it easy.
Hurry up. Get the shit out. There's nothing in it. Those are my friends, Stacey.
Oh, there we go. Nice crack pipe.
Bye.
There we go.
So what?
Anybody got a bag? Yeah, hold that.
So what? Over.
You have any drugs on you?
Yeah, you got any drugs?
No, buddy. Not at all. Not one more.
Search this side.
Not yet, not yet.
Search this side.
I wish I did. That fat, corny ass Hoboken, bro. I don't even live out here, bro. I wanted to put some cream on my hand. Niggas are mad. Ugly son. Yo, stop pressing me like you hard, bro.
I'm not pressing.
Alright, cause you're not brolic, my nigga. Alright? So what? What else you got? Come on, man.
Yo, relax. That's what you're gonna do.
Alright, so then relax.
Nobody's doing a...
Yo, a woman is supposed to be flexing on me, not niggas.
No, we have the right to search you.
No, you do not.
All right.
You are a man.
Okay.
A woman is supposed to touch me,
Okay.
not a man.
We're gonna get one too.
Okay? So get that. Put my hoodie back on. Look, my
Just gonna make sure we got you. Don't worry.
Put my hoodie back on. Put my hoodie back on.
You got any more pockets?
Put my hoodie. No,
Hey,
put
stop
my hoodie.
moving.
Put my hoodie on.
I'll put it on once I'm done.
Put it on now.
Stop
I'll
doing
make
that.
my
Stand up
hair.
straight.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Come on, I have to cut it on purpose, you know.
You check that pocket?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can-
That's why I got the
come
crack
on,
pipe back.
Come on. Show on. That's my
Put her
bitch Stacy.
16 or my car,
What
whatever.
up? Put my shit on. Put my hoodie on. Put my hoodie on. Look at my chapstick, please.
We got your stuff. Come over here.
Get
You
my
can get in.
chapstick,
We're not
buddy.
bending over in front of you. Let's go.
Can I get my stuff, though?
Let's go. We got your stuff. Come on.
Alright, how much I got right there?
It's only $1.
$1.50, $1.75, 2 chapsticks, a lighter. Bang. Put it in the bag. And my other bag. Where's my? Come on, stop squishing me, bro.
I'm not squishing you. You twisting your arms.
No,
Just
right.
relax. Take it
Put
easy.
everything the way it's supposed to go. Like that. I don't give a fuck. It's not mine.
I have a latex glove in
I
this
was just
pocket.
holding it. I don't give a fuck.
Actually, I got a bag.
I got no worries, so I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
It's only a joke. I go to sleep, bro, chill. I don't care. Money made.
You didn't get to smoke your crack yet?
Oh, no, that was Stacy's.
Oh, now it's Stacy's.
So what? I hold it for her. She was scared.
Shy's still here, right?
Yeah, no, she left.
I don't care. It don't matter about that. Now I'm gonna W. I'm on PTI, bro, and I'll be bored.
Do you have any females from 8 to 4 or no?
What's up? I can't hear you.
I'm not speaking to you.
Just max up everything. Put my shit in the bag, though. Put everything in the bag. Papi, put everything in the bag, man. Come on, man. We got corny ass on fucking cream. Corny as hell. I didn't even shine there. I just used the cream.
Yeah, you can't use cream.
So I'm getting locked up for using a cream. When we go to about, when we go to about, it's $5.95, right? When I see them on Wednesday, when I tell about that I got locked up for using a cream, he's gonna laugh his ass off. All of y'all Hoboken cornballs. Move in, put my shit in there.
Just let them know you use the cream without paying.
Alright, but I didn't.
She stole
A cream.
nail polish.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't.
There's one in here, by the way. One gorilla.
That's my
There's
stuff.
one there.
No, that's my things.
Yeah.
No. The only thing was the cream.
Alright, so bring that back in.
Whatever, bro. Alright. Tell it to Bob. Can you guys Can you grab that and put it in the bag too?
Can you give us a second? We're not on your time.
Alright, but stop holding me like you're fucking crazy,
I'm not
bro.
holding you like you're crazy.
Alright, but I'm already handcuffed, so why you grabbing me,
You're still
bro?
in my position. I'm not
Alright,
letting
but
go
I
of you.
don't like that.
Alright, let's walk
This
to
is
the car. Come on.
annoying me.
Let's go
Alright,
take a seat in
grab
the
my
car.
shit though.
We got your stuff. Come on. Come on. We got your
I
stuff.
wanna make sure.
We got your stuff.
I wanna make sure.
Sorry, rehooking is going to be interesting.
Come on, man.
We got your stuff. Come on.
It's right there in the public.
They're gonna put it inside the back for you. Let's get in the car. Let's get you out of the cold.
Then I'm good.
Come on.
Alright, grab it.
Put shit in the bag, please.
Please do that. Thank you.
She want her $1.50.
$1.75. My chapstick.
Chapstick for the lips.
That. I got it.
This car over here. Over here.
Which
This
one?
This one.
Don't drag me down.
I'm not dragging. I got you. Would you relax? I just told you I'm not dragging you. He's the car right there.
Only as embarrassing.
Step over here. Let me just unlock the door.
Hey, back.
No, you're not driving the car. What are you doing?
Oh shit, I thought I was driving.
No, you know you're not driving. How you gonna drive with handcuffs?
Oh, nigga, I'm high as hell. I'm not being.
How's you, right? 160? Yep.
Thank you, guys.
Follow while you up and just get it processed.
I'm from Tweed, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you drunk in love? Nice.
I think, yeah, well, my bad, you know.
Yeah?
I don't know what the fuck you did with it.
Somebody gotta be drunk in love, you know?
I got hella hickeys everywhere.
Hickeys everywhere. Good for you. God bless. Face the wall for me. Face the wall where it says no weapons beyond this point. Thank you. Alright?
Alright?
Come sit down for me right here. Turn this way.
Can you take this off?
No, you gotta sit down with handcuffs to the bench like that. Sit right here. Sit right here. I'll fix it for you. Sit down. If you listen to me, you'll be comfortable. You're being hard-headed right now.
Look at my thing.
I'll fix it to where you're more comfortable, okay?
No.
But you gotta keep it on though. What's comfortable for you?
Not gonna move. No.
It's policy and procedure. I'm not gonna hit you.
Okay, just run another
Come on.
place. Okay, it's fine.
Which
Okay,
here? Put it
run
in.
this side.
One on that wrist?
Yeah, but
I'll move it to the other side. No, you good, you good. Put your hand over there.
And did he say specifically how she was shoplifting?
I don't know. I didn't speak to her.
Where was that hand cream that she used?
104.
Can you scan it? Can you give me a receipt?
Where'd the manager go?
Rob?
Yeah, whoever was there.
Nick, get Rob.
104.
Yeah, can you get the manager back, please?
Transfer to 1 female 625 up at HQ. Southern Maui 7163.9. 741 63.9. I want to see problem behind.
You took pictures of everything too? Huh? Take pictures of all the stolen items. Yeah, where's the stolen items? We're gonna take a picture of it and then
Over here.
also how was she stealing? What'd she do?
He kept having the stuff around the store and just put it in the bag.
Okay, did she try to walk out?
Yeah, try to walk out with everything.
What, you stopped her and she handed everything over, you grabbed it?
Can I get a receipt? Does this include all the items?
He gave me the
Yeah.
There's the other receipt?
Yeah, so just add that to just take a picture of all the stuff that she stole.
That's all the stuff?
Go this side.
Okay. That's all the stuff you grabbed from her bag?
Yeah, the bag in the hand.
So she was walking toward, she was trying to walk toward, like, did she get through the doors or
No, we stopped right at the door.
right by the door?
Yeah, and also I grabbed it from my hand. Yeah, she just grabbed those things.
So 3 of the glues. 3 of those for shares. How much is the total?
$105.
It's so good. Plus whatever, 105 plus that. So we found the third one on her.
Oh, there's another one there. Oh, so you have to have that one.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
So it's still DP, it's on 200. All right, you got that's a picture of everything. The cream.
Yeah, that's why I put it like that, separated it so I can get a whole picture. Let me see.
You have the receipt paper here?
Who has access to the cameras? You have access to the cameras? Oh, okay. Are you able to send the video to us?
Yeah, the cat was 6762
Well, just give her your email and send her the evidence.com link, and then
She came in like 10:30, 10:40.
Shouldn't they just give me a number and I can send them the link or an email if they give it to me?
no, you send her the link, yeah, and then she just uploads it.
You have a number or email address?
Yeah.
Okay. If you put your number or your email address,
Do email, yeah.
we'll do email.
Nanti ko di ba?
Yeah, fine. That's fine.
So he's gonna send you a link. It's gonna ask you to upload the video
Okay.
to that link. So we just need basically for when she enters to her shopping around the store, picking the items, and then upon you guys stopping her at the exit.
All right. Just make sure when you send the video, that's the time that you gotta look at, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, but just in case something happens, like I can't access and have to call someone.
You want my number?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Officer Garcia Marte, batch 204. It's right here on my chest.
Yeah, the phone number is 201-420-2100.
Oh, that's the.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if they need to, speak to someone or a supervisor, so they can get access inside the video.
This one get it done?
Yeah, I took a picture of it already.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got her email?
Yeah, sure. Down.
That's every one female arrest. Proceeds returned. Yeah, great.